Welcome to another episode of Digital Library with Eric. Today we're going to be talking about NoveList. As always, let's start with digital resources. And in this case, database A to Z. Scroll down until you find NoveList. Enter your library card. Then once there, select NoveList. NoveList is a database that connects readers to their next book by making recommendations. Don't know what to read, but you know what you like? Try NoveList. In the search area on the top, type in the title of a book. In this case, let's try The Lincoln Lawyer. And press search. And there it is, The Lincoln Lawyer. On the right side, there are books that are very similar to The Lincoln Lawyer. Here's a brief description and some reviews. Perhaps it's a series that you like instead of a specific book. Let's try the Harry Bosch series. And there's the book. But where's the rest of the series? Tap on and click on Series. And there you have it. All the books in the series. And on the right side, other recommendations for similar books. On the home screen, the left side shows recommendations by subject, such as graphic novels, mysteries, fantasies. But let's try the best of 2019. There's a lot to choose from. But what if I just want mysteries? Type in mysteries and search. There we have a lot of mysteries. Maybe we want a series though. The series button will allow you to see series of various mysteries. Maybe you want a different author too. The possibilities are endless. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to call us here at the Crowell Public Library.